Hey there, my name is Jimmy Mahalik and welcome to my channel. I'm glad you're here today because I'm going to tell you a story about how one of my students went from making $0 to almost $100,000 in sales with his Amazon FBA home-based business in only his first few months. So Amazon has this program called FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, where you can send products into Amazon and they store them, they ship them to customers, and they do all the hard work for you. Amazon has over 200 million customers shopping on Amazon every single day, and it's increasing every single day as the months go by. More and more people are shopping on Amazon. So it's one of the best home-based businesses that you can do now and has been for several years. And one of my students, Michael, has made almost $100,000 in sales in his first couple months selling on Amazon. And he's currently making over $30,000 a month or more. Let me show you the screenshots of our conversations throughout the last couple months so you can see. If you guys are new here, make sure you click the subscribe button down below this video and then click the bell icon that pops up after you subscribe so you don't miss out on any videos. I will be showing you how to sell on Amazon on this YouTube channel. So here's one of the first screenshots. It says, "Hey Jimmy, check it out. I launched my product a little while ago and check it out. I've already have over $10,000 in sales. Woohoo, I'm stoked." And I, responded back, "That's amazing, man. Keep up the good work." We had a lot of different conversations throughout the months. I respond to my students. I'm, talking to my students every single day. So, and as you can see here in the screenshot, that he started selling his first product around November, and after about 2 weeks and a product launch, he hit about a little bit over $10,000 in sales in his first 2 weeks selling on Amazon. And this is for his own private label product. I teach how to find a product to sell on Amazon that has medium to high demand with low competition. And what you do is you then private label a product like that where you put your own brand name on it. And you buy these products. Normally you start with maybe about 300 products and you send them into Amazon and you're looking for about a 200% ROI. So you're making 200% ROI, which is more than double your money. And those are the type of products you're looking for to sell on Amazon as private label. So as you can see here in the next screenshot, he says, "Jimmy, Christmas sales have been awesome. I'm up to about $14,000 in sales for this month." And as you can see in the screenshot, he has about $14,720 in sales, over $900 in sales just today. He's probably nearing $1,000 in sales just for that day. And I think this is around the time where he started to add a couple wholesale products onto his Amazon store. Also, my program teaches how to do private label products and wholesale products, which is like how to sell brand name products like Nike, Adidas, L'Oreal makeup, Disney toys, Star Wars, all sorts of brand name products that you can sell on also and be a wholesaler and sell on a listing that's already up and running. So again, as you can see here, he's nearing almost $15,000 for this 30-day period in sales. And by the way, I want to thank Michael for letting me use the conversations and the screenshots here in the video, but I can't really take a lot of credit for this. Any good teacher or good mentor, can help you along the way, can show you how to do the process, or in this example, can show you how to sell on Amazon. But ultimately, it's going to come down to the individual person. And the cool thing about your business is the more effort you put into it, the more effort you get back out of it. And the more effort you put into it, the higher your chance of success on your own business. See, when you work at a 9-to-5 job, you could do the best job ever week after week, month after month, and you're still going to make the same amount of money, or maybe you get a tiny raise. But if you do the best job ever on your own business, there's no limit. The sky's the limit. You could make an infinite amount of money, because there's literally people that have gone from zero to making millions of dollars in their first year or two on Amazon because, Amazon has hundreds of millions of customers. So it's not like you're limited, like at your 9-to-5 job, making $10 an hour or $15 an hour. You can make that for every single sale in just one sale on Amazon. And the beauty about Amazon is this you're making money while you sleep, you're making sales while you sleep. You could be traveling the world and your product is still up on Amazon making sales every single day, no matter what you're doing. Once you do the initial work of getting the business set up, getting your products set up, and getting them sent into Amazon, then they sell, and they're selling every single day, and Amazon's shipping them for you, doing all the customer service, all the handling, and all that stuff. And then they, direct deposit the money to you once you've done the initial hard work of setting up the business. So I really have to give all the credit to Michael, because even though I steered him in the right direction and he learned a lot from my program, he did all the work of, actually doing this, and now he's reaping the rewards, and he has this amazing home-based business. So he really can do what he wants. He can quit his 9-to-5 job, or he can keep it and continue to make this extra money on the side. And that's a really nice position to be in. And so here's the next screenshot. He says, "Hey Jimmy, sales are doing good, but should I increase my PPC advertising even though I only have 8 reviews?" And then so we had a big long conversation about getting reviews and the methods to get the reviews that are, outlined in the course. And we talked a little bit about that. And we talked about increasing his PPC advertising, which is advertising his products on Amazon, and how to do that with your reviews being low while increasing them along the way. So we had a big long conversation about that. And it turns out that that was some pretty good advice, because the next screenshot he sent me here, which is a couple months later, he says, "Jimmy, I can't believe it. I'm up to $30,000 in sales. I've got my second private label product now up and running, and I just cannot believe how well things are selling. I'm so glad I decided to do this. Thank you so much." And as you can see here in the screenshot, he's at just over $30,000 in sales for just that month, just that 30-day time period. And you can see he's made a little over $1,200 just today alone in this screenshot. And his sales are up by 56% over the last month. And that's the beauty about Amazon, is once you get a private label product up and ranking, and once you hit that first page or the top of the first page, your sales will really explode, and you can literally make 56% more money than you did the month before, just by getting your product to that success level. And like I said, he had just launched his second product now, and I believe he had a couple wholesale products also. And he's making over $30,000 a month now or more. And going forward in the future, I can easily see him making $40,000 or $50,000 a month or more easily. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe and click the bell icon after subscribing so you don't miss out on any other Amazon FBA videos where I show you how to do this. Also, I have an Amazon FBA Facebook group you can join down below in the description. It's a free group to join. And if you want to continue learning more about Amazon FBA, my program, how I help students to, get these same type of results, I have my Amazon FBA free training link down below in the description, where you can learn a whole bunch more information about selling on Amazon and how I help people do it. And I will link to it over here on the screen also. And you can click this to enter the free training. And if you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.